Hey traders, John Howell here, your #1 market trader. I just finished a coaching session with my inner circle coaching clients, and there's one thing that I shared with them. It was actually almost a 2-hour session. There's one thing that I actually shared with them that that is really going to help you when it comes to your trading. I want to help you when it comes to your trading with, and so that's what I want to share with you as well too. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into it. Traders, just want to let you know that I am extending that Master Trader Bundle offer. Master Trader Bundle, they get this entire, my top 4 chart reading and trading techniques that you can use on any market to improve your success rate over time. And understand what's going on right now. You get all this sort of stuff for $4. So very first link in the description, guys, I am extending that today. So the big thing that we're talking about when we're looking at the actual, when we're looking at the market itself, right? The big thing we're talking about was, and as again, we finished a 2-hour cracking amazing session. An absolutely 2-hour cracking amazing session. Now traders, if you'd like to learn more about how I actually trade the markets itself, the best thing to do when it comes back down to the trading, over the 2 hours, right? Over the 2 hours that, almost 2 hours that we just finished the session, one of the things that I was telling them was that, okay, this is the rules that we look for, right? This is the rules, and these are the setups that I personally take myself, and I was sharing that with them. Right? I was teaching them, I was sharing them with them, and so on and so forth. So I was saying that to them, okay? And so, but I was saying to them that in order for us to truly move forward in a big way in the markets, what it comes back down to is confidence in your trading, confidence in the thing that you're about to take, confidence in your trading setup. And so I said to them that, so for me personally, I can coach you guys, right? Good on YouTube, all right? You got your little bumblebee comments down there. By the way, guys, thank you so much for your support. I love doing these videos, and I have a whole bunch of fun doing them. Some of you guys going, oh, this monkey boy's back at it again. That's right, monkey boy from Australia. So the whole thing about that is that when we're actually trading the markets, we trade setups that we believe in, okay? And one of the big things that I see happening in the chat box comment section below is a lot of people are making decisions based off what they think is going to happen based off what is happening. So for example, I'll give you guys an example here, right? I'll bring up the S&P 500. Do you know when the stock market was rallying up through here, and I was saying, oh, no traders, we're going to get a pullback, or we're going to get a drop, we're going to get a drop, we're going to get a drop, right? Do you know when this happened, I got so many people, or no, I had some people through here. I started saying, the market's going to drop, the market's going to drop, the market's going to drop. And people calling me idiot, John, you're wrong, it's not happening, what's going on? And someone came out and said, John, but Jay Powell gave the green light, so you're wrong about the drop coming. And as you can know it, the drop did come, right? So they were using an external thought of what someone said that may affect the markets, right? So, and then the market dropped, okay? The same thing happened to gold as well too. If we have a look at gold, when gold was rallying, when we got the big rally through here, I started doing videos all through here, right? So, all through this section through here. I didn't get the top, but it was actually through this section 3. I'm just like, traders, I wouldn't be trying to go long here. We're probably going to get a drop. We're going to get a drop. A drop's coming. A drop's coming. A drop's coming. And then I started getting people saying, John, you're wrong. You don't understand. Blah, blah, blah. Gold mining stocks. It's going to the moon. Blah, blah, blah. And even things like, we've got things like commitment of traders report, where there's a commitment of traders report that came out and gave the green light, so to speak, for the market to go up. And then guess what we got? We got the drop in the markets, right? The drop in the markets. So the whole thing about what I just said there is that whenever we are trading the markets, not investing, okay? When we're trading the markets, it's important to trade setups that you're most comfortable with. Now, traders, if you want to learn my actual setup that I trade, then I'm giving away, just go to Johns, JOHNS, freetraining.com, johnsfreetraining.com, put your email address in there, and then you'll get access to a video. And the video is a replay of a training that I did, walking you through the steps that my #1 trading setup that I actually look for. So go to Johns, JOHNS, freetraining.com, and then again I'll show you that through there. So that's what we're looking through there, okay? So it's really important to this, and that's what I'm seeing when I'm looking at the stock market right now. A lot of people are saying that they know that their opinion is the market is going to keep crashing. It's going to keep crashing. It's going to keep crashing. And then someone came out and said, "Oh, this billionaire or this really successful trader came out and bought all these options in the market, so therefore the market is going to crash." I wouldn't know about that. I wouldn't say about that, right? Please take this with a grain of salt. If, traders, no one knows definitely what's going to happen. The most important thing is what the market's saying, right? Not Harry Dent. Whoa! Go with Harry Dent, right? Not Robert Kiyosaki. Come on now, right? Robert Kiyosaki's been saying the stock market's going to crash ever since Trump got elected. What happened when Trump got elected? If you forget what happened when Trump got elected, let's actually go back to when Trump did get elected. Right? The good old Trumpy. What happened to the stock market when Trump got elected? Right? Back here. What is this? What is this? This is called, Trump got elected here. Market did this. Kiyosaki came out and said, I got it right last time and I know what's going on and right? I'm not about to go with that guy, right? It's like, but the whole thing is like we put these guys on a pedestal. It's like, he came out and he got the crash the right time. He got the crash last time and he was off with my plus or minus one or a few years, blah, 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 right? And then he's come out now, the market's going to crash again, right? The market's going to crash again, right? So maybe it will, right? And then Peter Schiff. Peter Schiff is always looking, right? It's like, come on now. Okay, so as you can see that these guys are not technicians. They are big picture. Now, I believe what they say is true, right? Yes, Peter Schiff, he's going to be right. By the end of this decade, these big picture analysis is going to be right. Gold's going to shoot to the moon. Crypto's doing what crypto's doing. Stock market's going to do a stock market, the bubbles and real estate. Right? Yes, he's going to be right. But big picture, right? It takes a lot longer for those things to start to unfold. Yes, I do see a 10,000 plus gold. John, you're nuts. You're an idiot. That's not going to... Bitcoin is taking over gold. Come on. Don't be so stupid. What are you doing? What? Don't be so stupid. What have you been a bumblebee for? Gold and Bitcoin are nothing. Bitcoin you can't do anything with. Gold you actually can do something with, right? Gold is the hard money that's been around. Put it this way, guys. If this was true, why is gold still the thing that the major countries around the world, they're buying up like crazy? Russia, China, look at people buying this up. Why aren't they buying Bitcoin up? Come on, be smart. Right? Don't listen to these bumblebee white papers. Right? The gold's Bitcoin's the new gold. Mama, here we go. No, don't be a bumblebee. Be smart. Right? You can't do anything with Bitcoin. Right? And what was Bitcoin supposed to be doing? Right? It's supposed to be the thing that gets away from the banking industry and gets away from everything, and keeps you away from the banking industry and so all this sort of stuff. Do you know the blockchain is more transparent than the right? Because you can see everything on the blockchain. It's not like you can hide it from the government. It's like, I can hide from the government. No, there is no government there, right? The government can see everything that's happening on the blockchain. The blockchain's transparent. Everything's there, black and white, right? So they can see that, right? It's from the transaction. It's the transactional base because, it's the transaction, but isn't Ethereum a much more faster platform than, et cetera, et cetera. Anyway, I can go on and on about this. The whole purpose about this is that no, it's not the same thing, right? It's not the same thing. Gold is going to make big moves. Be smart about it, right? Every single asset has their day in the sun and not their day in the sun. Then every single asset has their day in the sun again, right? This is all circulation, right? So if you're looking to jump on the next best asset price, don't be a lover of anything. Don't love stock market, don't love crypto, don't love forex, don't love futures, don't love crypto, don't love mining stocks. No. I love making money. Or I like making money, right? I like making money. I'm making money, right? So if I'm looking to make money, if I look back at all the things, what has boomed in the last couple of years? Oh, crypto, stock market, blah, blah, blah. What hasn't boomed? Oh, mining stocks. Oh, so it makes sense, right? That because that hasn't bubbled yet, that's the next bubble to come. It's not like we're not going to get another big bubble out of these markets, right? It's like, oh, no, that's it, gone. That's it. Gold is going to zero forever. No. Can you guys imagine what's going to happen to silver? Where are we headed with what's going on, right? Electric cars, electric vehicles. We can see where we're going. Where's silver going to be in 20 years time frame, right? That's what we should be focused on. So anyway, traders, that's enough for me. This is what I want you to do right now. First link in the description, click on the link in the description. You can grab the Master Trader Bundle. Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get my #1 chart reading and trading technique that's been working since the 1950s. #2 videos about the trading boundaries that shows you the best and worst time to trade. And for a lot of you guys, this is really going to help you, especially even if you don't have a good trading setup, just knowing the best and worst time to trade. Video #3 and 4 is about price and time. You're going to really love that there. Video #5 is an hour and 20-minute full deep training on the powerful techniques. Bonus #1 is if you're looking for a good trading pattern that I use, my #1 powerful short-term trading, short-term income system that I use. And then bonus #2 is access to a live trade event. You can get that, guys, for $4 today. I'm extended today, so go get that right now at johnsflashsale.com. Go get that right now.